A unique voter education campaign has just been launched by the COMELEC. The campaign is dubbed Waka Waka, which will go full blast starting next week. More from this report.
This coming May 6, the Commission of Election will conduct a north-to-south information campaign regarding the registration for the 2016 presidential polls, completion of biometrics for each voters, may it be old or new, before participating in the electoral process. The Commission of Election and People's Television formally signed a partnership for this campaign entitled Waka Waka Step 1 para sa mulat na botante. Present in the signing were COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes, Director James Jimenez, PTV4 News and Operations Chief Ed Finlan, and PTV4 Finance Head Bert Garcia.
Let me just express my thanks to PTV4, to PPCRB, Commissioner Goyo, and NAMFREL. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tulong at inyong suporta sa amin. Palagi kayong nandyan sa tabi namin pag kailangan namin kayo. Thank you very much.
Dito sa mga landmark events natin, natin idodocument yung lugar para maikwento natin sa ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas. Aalamin natin kung bakit hindi sila bumuboto, aalamin natin kung bakit, kung ano yung mga balakid sa kanila para magparehistro at bumoto, para maikwento natin sa buong bansa.
Meanwhile, Mr. Ed Finlan gave his reaction on the opportunity given to the network to aid in this information campaign of the COMELEC.
We would like not only to show the fun, the stamina being showed by the walkers, but the purpose by which it is being done, the commitment to why it is being done. An informative electorate means a responsible vote. Kayo mga sa media, marami sa atin ang hindi nakakaboto dahil nagko-cover tayo ng botohan. But the problem is, one vote lost is one leader less, if you understand where I'm going. Our commitment to our votes that is sacred to us is a commitment to our country and to the kind of government that we will have. We share in the hope, in the trust, and in the belief that we all deserve a good government. Thank you. Good morning.
This campaign targets to include 18% of voters who failed to exercise their right to suffrage. According to Chairman Sixto Brillantes, it is important to include the 2.5 million voters who will register in time for the next polls. Transferees and those who were not able to vote 2 consecutive times are important to be identified so that the COMELEC can evaluate the possible voter turnout this 2016. The Waka Waka Step 1 para sa mulat na botante is a walkathon orientation spearheaded by the COMELEC, which will start in Luwag, Ilocos Norte on May 6 and will end as soon as the right information on completion of biometrics is given to the voters nationwide. Director James Jimenez will personally lead this campaign, together with Filipino athletes and with the support of the People's Television Network.